slowly. Wow.
It's a mat.
You want to open it?
It's a placemat,
Yeah,
Aiden.
for
Hey Aiden, now guess what we're gonna use when you eat? Your
placemat.
placemat.
Look at it.
Good.
Aiden, you have another one.
Look.
There's another, we have like two more.
It's gonna be like a bowl.
Whoa.
That's cute.
That's cute.
Is it a hat?
Yeah, it's a hat.
It is
A hat has a bowl.
Woody's hat.
Isn't it a
Oh,
bowl?
this is for Micah.
Yeah.
It's Woody's bowl.
For Micah? Oh, okay. Keep on this side.
Oh.
Aiden, look at this one. Open this one.
Look at Micah.
Hey, you Bullseye!
Cute, look.
Bullseye!
Aiden, what do you say? Aiden, what do you say?
Hey, no. First look at mommy's phone and tell Auntie Toodle thank you.
Aiden.
Like,
That's so rude.
Aiden.
Aiden, what do you say? This is from Auntie Casey. What do you tell her?
Say thank you.
Look at my